Hello everyone, and Happy New Year 2024. My name is Richard, and I welcome you to my channel AMZing. Today, I'm thrilled to share information that could transform your Amazon selling journey. We're going to discuss two exciting topics: HELIUM's incredible offers for January, and how this tool can be a lever for your financial freedom. To start the year off right, HELIUM has special offers for Amazon sellers this January that you won't want to miss. Don't hesitate to click the link in the description to discover these offers. HELIUM's 3-month suite offer, currently priced at $127, is an opportunity for new sellers or those looking to discover HELIUM's potential. At $80 off the regular price of $207, a 33% reduction, sellers can test HELIUM's advanced features without long-term commitment. Now, let's move on to the 12-month suite offer, available for $399. You save $189, 32% less than the usual annual cost of $588. This offer is aimed at sellers determined to make a significant breakthrough on Amazon. Finally, the 12-month FBB suite offer, normally priced at $1,596, is currently offered at an exceptional price of $699. This 56% discount, a savings of $897, is a great deal for ambitious sellers. To take advantage of all the advanced features of HELIUM, click on the link in the description. Thanks to the tools and data HELIUM provides, you can refine your business approach. Now is the perfect time to seize these offers and propel your business to new heights on Amazon. To get started, click on the link in the description. HELIUM is more than just a sales tool, it's a lever towards financial freedom. Statistics show that 88% of brands selling on Amazon use advertising, and 59% of them spend over $60,000 a month on it. For more information and to take advantage of the offers, click on the link in the description. Moreover, the use of artificial intelligence to optimize product texts and images has become a valuable tool for Amazon sellers. According to HELIUM, 89% of Amazon sellers are profitable. To join these successful sellers, click on the link in the description. In short, HELIUM is not just a set of tools for selling on Amazon, it's a real accelerator towards greater financial independence. Don't miss this opportunity. Click on the link in the description to turn your challenges into lucrative successes. The offers are only valid during the month of January 2024.